Hello everyone, so I'm doing the 0 hour game jam. It runs from 2 a.m. to 2 a.m. during the time change. I think this is the last time that they're doing this. Thinking about doing like a Simon type clone. But yeah, I was looking up 0H game. Supposedly in EU, Europe, whatever, this is going to be the last one because they're not going to do turning back the clocks in Europe anymore. But yeah, here's the site. I think this kind of looks like Squall from Final Fantasy VIII. But yeah, it's almost 2 a.m. 1:56. We've got a little more than 3 minutes to go. 1817. I don't know why this number's off. I'm pretty sure it's tonight. Yeah, Saturday night tonight. Yeah, I think this is slightly off right here. But yeah, it's kind of sad. Used to actually be a Twitter account. Yeah, 0H Game. There's actually a keynote. It's kind of interesting there. The U.S. changes back tonight. 0H Game Jam begins at 2 a.m. each respective time zone. See rules on the website for more. Oh, yeah, that's the new site. Oh, you marked out final, so maybe it isn't the final one. I don't know. This is the last time. You better get set. Yeah, something about the EU tried to pass some rule or something. Said that this is your last chance. Yeah, Europe says goodbye to DS2 forever. But yeah, we're down to almost 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm planning on doing this in Unity and Blender. I already kind of just got Unity started up on the main screen. I actually haven't created a project or anything yet. So yeah, this has always been a fun game jam. I've been doing it for, I guess, about 5 years. Done 4 different games, and one of the games I ended up polishing and put it on the Xbox One, Turn Back the Clocks 4. Yeah, the first one I think I did in 2013 is called Turn Back the Clock, so I just call each subsequent one Turn Back the Clocks 2, 3, 4. I guess this will be Turn Back the Clocks 5. So getting pretty close. Kind of like the New Year's countdown. Getting close to turning back the clocks. Yeah, every November, or it's always been in November as long as I can remember. I think they changed the date of the clocks turning backwards and forwards. But yeah, usually an hour. You don't have time to make too much, but enough for a simple little game. If I was more, I don't know, if I had more practice in like Pico 8, I may do that, or Game Maker. I've been learning more with Game Maker, but I think I'm by far most efficient with Unity. Even probably more efficient making a game in 3D Unity than doing a 2D game in Unity. So I'm going to stick with what I know. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing a simple Simon game, having four different components that you can press, and see how it goes. I think it'll be simple enough to do in an hour or 0 hours for this game jam. So yeah, it's always kind of fun to do this every year. So yeah, we're getting pretty close. 1:59:50, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 a.m. Yay! Go ahead and get started here with the new project. Call this Turn Back the Clocks 5. Turn back the clocks 5. Create. Hope it doesn't want me to update Unity or anything stupid like that. Yeah, I'm not doing Playmaker. I've kind of abandoned Playmaker as of late, just because it's always a pain when Unity updates and it always breaks Playmaker and everything. So I think I'm going to do some simple, like a four-sided simple object. Create. Let's do a circle or a cylinder. Let's do a cylinder. Okay, Unity, you can go away. So what I want to do is I want to extrude. Wait. There's one. Oops, 5. Scale Z 0.1. Let's get it kind of flat here. And Z, we're going to select the front side, go to face mode. Select nothing. Select this one. I'm going to extrude, enter, scale. Go back to 1 and drop this down. Do I need to scale? I think I need to scale again. Or extrude again. GZ. And drop this down. Kind of like that. That's how I've usually done the clocks and everything. This time, I want to do some cuts here. Never really done this before. I can take the vertex tool. So I want to cut it right down the center. Options. I could just do a block and do a... I think that may be the easier way to go. And do a block. Tools. I could do a block and do the Boolean operation. But yeah, let's try the knife. I'm going to go from here to here. Should be red or green, I don't know. Enter. See, that's not really what I wanted. Okay. This one go here. Create. Cube. Cube, I want cube to be 0, 0, 0. Okay, cube GX1. Okay, take this one, this modifier, Boolean difference with the cube. Oops, crud. Not intersect. Didn't I do difference? Cube. Wow, it doesn't like that. Intersect with cube. That doesn't work. Yeah, I kind of just need... I could do union. So GY1. So I want to do just a space that interlaps those two. So this one, add modifier, Boolean, union, no, not union, difference, cube. Union would be both of them together. Not exactly what I wanted, but I think this will work. This is what I originally wanted, was to cut out that one area. GY minus 1. GY minus 1. Okay, let's do this again. Modifier, Boolean, union, cube. Oh, that takes away everything. Wow. Not having much luck with this one. Could just subdivide this because I'm having so many problems. Oh, there's one down the center. That's what I needed. Now I just need one from here to here. I need like a cut. From here to here. need to cut between those two. Spin screw. Knife from here to here. It's not doing very well here. Not doing very well. Okay, if I could just get rid of half of this, I would be happy. I don't know why this is still messed up over here. Looks like I lost the bottom. I think it's due to that cut. What happened here? So I'm join these two together. Join those together. Now I just need to cut it along here. I think I can do that. Just delete these. Okay, it's looking better. So I need a new vertex, like out here in the middle. At 0.0. Oh, I could just extrude it. Extrude X there. This I want to be at 0, 0, 0. Okay. But it needs to be Z at 0.01963. 0.01963. Extrude X. Put this one at 0, 0, 0. Oops. 0. No! Why is that going all the way up like that? Oh. Minus 0.1. Okay. So we want this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Make a face. We want this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Make a face. Then we want... Can I do an alt? Select? Oh, that's perfect. Make a face. Just pressing alt and right click. We'll select all of those. Look at that. Alt right click. Perfect. I do want to select all. And I'll go ahead and do the smooth shading. Except, let's turn into face mode. It's like I want these to be flat shaded. Anything that's supposed to be flat should be flat shaded. Like these sides should also be flat shaded. Anything that's rounded, like these sides, should be smooth shaded. Now these should also be flat because it's flat on the top. Okay, file, save as, up, projects. Only 10 minutes into this. Turn back the clock's 5. Turn back the clock's 5. Assets. Go ahead and make models. What do I want to call this? Segment or button? Quadrant? Quadrant sounds good. I don't know. I'm just going to call it button area. Or slice. I think slice sounds good. Slice of the clock. These are just going to be solid colors. So I'm not worried about it. Nah, I don't need a new version of Unity. Would be nice if it imported my models. Did I not even save that? Models. I'm going to be mad if I lost my Blender model. Yeah, there it is. Turn back the clocks. 5. Turn back the clocks 5. Assets, models, slice, blend. So why don't I see this in my Unity project? Oh, there it goes. It wasn't even like loading or anything earlier. That's kind of bizarre. So there it is. Slice. So I want to take my camera. Go into the scene. It's interesting that she still had the layout that I like, even though I created a new project. 10, 0. We want to rotate this downward. So that's 90, 0, 0. That's looking downward. So I'm going to add 4 slices. Oops, no, this needs to be out here. 0. So this is slices. I'm gonna have 1. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. 2, 3, 4. So slice 0. Slice 1. Slice 2. Slice 3. So slice 0 is fine. Slice 1. I want to rotate it. Just make this 270. 270. Slice 2. I'm going to rotate it. This is 270, 180. And slice 3. I'm going to rotate it. That's 270. I don't know why they put like negative 270. It's just 90. Okay, there's our 4 pieces. I don't know why it's got, looks like 2 different areas right there. Okay. Actually, I could call this like slice red. I don't know, I'll just leave this. Okay, so assets, create material. Oops. Create folder. Materials. This is going to be matte slice red. I'm not doing any fancy pants texturing here. Create material. Matte slice green. Create material. Matte slice blue. Create material. Matte slice yellow. So green is green. Make that green. Can I just drag this? Yeah, there we go. Blue is blue. And yellow is yellow. Okay, there's our 4 basic pieces in 15 minutes. So I need to do a controller. Create the game. I'm just gonna call this level manager. So assets, create folder, scripts, create level manager. So here's where we're going to keep our sequence. Oh, I need sounds too. I might not be able to finish this one. This may be too complex. List int sequence int button sequence button sequence gets a new list integers button sequence. How am I going to do this? Void public void play sequence button sequence dot add random dot range from 0 to 4. Play sequence. F. So I need a way to play the sequence first. F F I think I'm going to do like int I demo gets -1 or 0. I demo gets 0. Float F count down gets 0. F. If I demo is less than or equal to button sequence dot length count F countdown gets subtracting the sign time dot delta time. So here's where I need to set the 4 slices. Let's go ahead and create, I'll prefab this, scripts, create slice, this kind of as a holder. So level manager is going to have, I think I can do this as a list. List slice. List slices. Public list. So level manager, come on. So we're going to have 4 slice 0, 1, 2, 3. I think a slice is going to have a default color. Slice. Public material matte default. Public material matte highlight. Public void do highlight. Get component renderer dot material gets matte highlight. Materials. So I'm just going to do one highlight for everything, I guess. I could do, yeah. Matte material. Matte highlight. So I'm just going to make it white. So slice 0. It's going to be white and red. Slice 1 is going to be yellow and white. Slice 2 is going to be blue and white. Slice 3 is going to be green and white. Let's just play this. Boy, I'm almost 30 minutes into this. This needs to be pulled down a lot. So here's my game window. So let's move the main camera. Let's go ahead and move it down. We can actually tilt this up a little bit. Actually, the way I like doing it is like positioning blue, yellow. It looks a little bit backwards to me. Which one's the first one? Slice 0 is red. I think I like this better. Okay. Main camera, game object. Move to view, game object. Align with view. Then just straighten these up. Make this 0. 1.8, 1.8, rotation, say 45, 180. That's pretty good right there. Okay. Press play. So, level manager. Demos less than buttons equal count than count. So here we want to do list slices button sequence . idemo dot get component slice dot do highlight. Let's call this do normal. Mat default. So let's go ahead and do a bunch of these. So I'm going to do 0, 1, 2, 3. If f countdown is greater than 0, then we're going to list slices 0 get component slice do normal 1, 2, 3. So we're going to set them all to normal. Then the one that's on the demo, I'm going to do highlight. Else, I demo add sign 1 f count down gets 1f. F countdown gets 1f. And it's not doing anything yet. Oh, I didn't call play sequence. Play sequence. Hey, that's what I wanted. So, idemo. Maybe that's all I need to do. Bool is demoing. Is demoing gets true. If idemo equals button sequence dot count, then is demoing gets false. Oh, didn't set it back. I think I just need to put this here so they all always get set. to this by default. Okay. So now I need to get which one is clicked. Slice. How am I going to do this? Script. Can I do public or void on mouse down? Debug log clicked. I need to get the number, so I got to send that back up because it doesn't know what number it is. It's not letting me click. Oh, I need to add a whoop-de-doo component to it. I need to add a mesh collider. Which one is this? Slice through it. Yeah, there we go. So, can I just select all these? Add component mesh colliders. Okay. They all should have mesh colliders. Oh no. So how do I call public void add enter sequence int I. I guess each one can know what number it is. List int entered sequence. If not is demoing entered sequence. Dot add I. Okay. So each slice needs to know what number it is. Or slice clicked, then do find game, find object of type, level manager dot add entered sequence. Be nice if it knew. There's another way to get what number it is, like position in the array. I number. But for now, I'm going to make this simple. Slice, did I say? Add entered sequence. I number. Add entered sequence 65. Add entered sequence gets new list int. Did I just crash this guy? I didn't do my editor script. Can I compare to C# compare if two lists are equal? I guess it should be equivalent. Sequence val. Sequence of val. Sequence equal. If button sequence equal system link. Using system.link. SEQ sequence equal. I gotta put the int in here. I don't understand this. Yeah, just passing the second one. Sequence equal. Turd sequence. So I learned something new here. So I need like a UN text. UI text you when just make it centered up, make it white, make it big. I just don't need it overflow. Public text crap using Unity engine.ui text UN text UN.enable gets true. So by default, it's going to be disabled. will need to drag it into my level manager. Let's see if this works. Add some sound effects to it if it works. We'll go doot, 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 doot. Nope. Debug log entered sequence. I hope this prints this out. Entered sequence. Be nice if this just prints out the values. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I can do a T-string. Dot T-string. Why is it? It's going to cut it pretty close. Why doesn't it tell me the items in the list? No. Crap. Stir entered values. It's blank. String. For I gets 0, I is less than entered sequence dot count I plus plus stir entered values, add and assign entered sequence I plus comma b square. But I want to do this after this. Oops. I may not finish this one. I didn't print it out. Leave this. Down here, stir entered values. Zero, zero. Oh, I didn't put the stupid numbers in here. That's why. 0, 1, 2, oops, 2, 3. That makes sense. 0, 2, 2, 3. Did I mess up? Yeah, I didn't put one here. Yay! So I should do a play again button. Canvas UI button. Play again. Actually, I'm just going to call the button restart. Restart. Oops. Level manager. Public void do restart. So you when enabled, it's going to get false. And reset the two. Yeah, basically just do what we do in start. So okay. But it doesn't play the demo. Play sequence. Demos. Oh, I didn't wire it up. Crap. You gotta go here. Button restart and add this. Get our level manager. What? Crap. Crap. Wow, what's all this? Why can't I drag on my level manager? I need to lock this level manager. Crap. I need like a new inspector. Inspector. Why can't I? Can I just drag that there? There we go. Level manager. Do restart. Okay. 10 minutes left. Yeah. I think this is it. Simon game in an hour. Let's do some sound effects. Export wave. Material. Slice 1. Slice 2. Slice 3. Slice 4. Okay. Back to Unity. So I need to edit my slice. Public audio source. Sound. List slices. List slices. Yeah. List slices. I value. Dot. Sound. Play. Demo. Demo 0. If I demo list and button sequence count, because I don't want to play it if it's bigger. I need to drag the sounds. I'm about down to 5 minutes. 0 sounds. Where's my slice script? Why don't I? Oh, I got this locked. Slice 1. Oh, come on, audio source. I guess I gotta assign these. Sound effects. Slice 1. Crap. Can I just drag these on top? There we go. Crap. I don't like that. Sound 1. Sound 2. Sound 3. Sound 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slice 0. Sound 1. Slice. Oh, crud. Yeah, can't get this. Slice sure can't get a sound. Well, I guess I'm done. Unless I can do this in 3 minutes. I don't know why this one can get a sound. Oh, I'm copying the wrong ones. This one goes here. Slice 2, sound 3. Slice 3, sound 4. It would be nice if it didn't repeat the same one as the previous. It'd be nice if it actually played. Crap. It would be nice if the demo's not working. The sounds don't work on the demo. Come on, save project. Okay, it works. Yay! So it's 158. I'm considering this one done. Just package this up. Oh, the one thing I do need to do is these sound effects. Don't play on awake. That's what's causing all that weird sound at the beginning. It's not perfect. Because it's playing I instead of the slice I. But I guess I'm just going to have to leave it. Yeah. 2 a.m. Yay! Okay, I'm going to package this up, build it, and call it complete. File, build, and run. Turn back the clock's 5. New folder. Crap. Just put it here. Build. Turn back the clock's 5 windows. Is that building? So where's the new site? Play. Okay, I'm gonna do a print screen of that. Don't paint. I should just do a small window. Could just do this. Right here. Snipping. Like that. Okay, where's the stupid site? Yay. Submit game. Turn back the clocks 5. So I gotta put in my own URL. I think I'm just gonna put it on my own site. I don't know. Put it on itch, I guess. Okay, I'm going to submit this. Thanks everyone for watching.